Okay, if I could have everybody's attention, please. And then we'll be done. Okay, I'm not sure if some of y'all recognize this or not, but these are the most missed problems on your quiz. So, when I say most missed, I mean, literally I can see for all three of my classes, and there's a percentage. So these were the most missed. So number one is about the range, and hopefully tomorrow we'll get to learn a little bit more about domain and range because I know it's hard. I know it's hard. But this is about what is the range, which that's the y values that are contained on the curve or by the function. Let me see if I can manipulate my little screen because I am recording. Okay, hang on. Okay, so basically this is the function. You have to put it in to y equals, put it into Desmos. So I see why y'all didn't do that because y'all didn't open up your computers. But anyway, put it into Desmos. So y values. Well, y'all, first of all, let's take a look here. Here's where the y value is 3. Is there anything underneath that? There's no curve underneath that. So y'all, the lowest y value you can have is 3. And by the way, that's the minimum. What's minimum mean? The lowest value. So y'all, the lowest y value that is contained on this red curve is 3, the lowest y. The rest of them are above it. Notice there's a curve above it. Okay? So it's the y values are 3 and everything above 3. Okay? And also I did make a little line there so you can see there's where that function comes down and touches, but underneath 3, there's nothing there. Okay? So get my act back together. I'm sorry I'm recording this for you guys. Okay. So all real numbers greater than or equal to 3. Okay. Well, I didn't realize this particular one because I haven't been doing this one all day. This is from the other day when you guys were at the pep rally. I didn't realize you had to have Desmos for this. Yep. Just keep in mind, and I'm sure y'all know this, but just keep in mind, even though I let you use Desmos on every test I have, there will be an inactive section on the EOC. There will be an inactive section. So whenever you're hearing me say, hey guys, I would try to do this without the calculator, that's my way of saying you might want to try to do this without the calculator. So, okay, so this one, where is it decreasing? So if we're riding on a roller coaster, always from the left, right here is where the change takes place. So it is decreasing on the right. This is the side where x is greater than -2. This is the side where x is less than -2. So this is your answer where x is greater than -2. How many people got that one? Great, great, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. All right, trying to bring back another difficult concept where the function is positive and negative. Okay, so when you see this, y'all, what they're trying to say is that the y values are positive. Where on the curve are the y values positive? So hopefully we know that the separation is the x-axis. Above the x-axis is where the y values are positive. Below the x-axis is where the y values are negative. And it wants to know where they're positive. So right here is where the graph is above the x-axis. Well, mathematically, how do I represent that curve, that part of the curve? Well, it appears to start at -4 and end at 0. So I write that as an in-between statement from -4 to 0. How many people got that one right? See, nice, okay. And again, don't forget, these were the most missed on the quiz. These were your quiz questions. Okay, last one. I'm hoping at this point we realize this is exponential. Hopefully we're able to recognize that. And exponentials do not have a vertex. So y'all, an exponential model with a vertex. There's no vertex. What models have a vertex? Quadratics. Okay. Notice here, quadratic model with an asymptote. Quadratics don't have asymptotes. So we're down to an exponential model with an asymptote or a quadratic model with a vertex. Well, that's an exponential model. The asymptote is right here. It's at y = 2. The correct answer was A. How'd y'all do on that one?